Let us start. Game theory. Question number 12. Solve the game. It's very simple question. Solve the game. Question number 12. What is the meaning of this question? There are two strategies for player A, A1 and A2, and for player B, there are two strategies B1 and B2. If A will take strategy A1 and B will take strategy B1, A will take A1 and B will take B1. In that case, player A get the profit of 28. So 28 is the profit when player A will take A1 and B will take B1. Similarly, 0 is the profit for A. If the value is positive, then it's a profit of A, and value is negative, then it's a profit of B. And 2 and 12. So this information we have. And now what we have to find out here, for player A, which one is the best one, A1 or A2? And for player B, which one is the best one, B1 or B2? That is what we want to find out. So the first step is check whether the game has saddle point or not. So to know whether the game has saddle point or not, what we have to do, we have to find out row minima. So in first row, we have to find out minimum value. The minimum value 28 and 0, out of these two, 0 is minimum. And 2 and 12, 2 is minimum. Now out of these two values, 2 and 0, you have to select the maximum. Maximum is, out of these two values, 0 and 2, maximum is 2. So which is known as the upper value of the game. Now similarly, we have to find out lower value. How to find out? You have to find out column maxima first of all. So in first column, you have to find out maximum value. That is what, 28. In second column, maximum value, that is 12. And out of this maximum value, you have to select the minimum one. So minimum one is what? 12. This is known as lower value of the game. When upper value and lower value are same, we can say that game is the saddle point. When upper value and lower value is same, we can say that game is a saddle point. Like in previous question, for this particular question, here the lower value and upper value are same, so we can say that game is a saddle point. Game is strictly determinable, means game is a pure strategy. But right now, here the lower value and upper value are not same. That indicate game has no saddle point. Game has no saddle point. Means what? Game is not strictly determinable. So there is a mixed strategies are there. Mixed strategy means what? We are not able to decide which one is the best strategy for player A with 100% surety. That means now we have to find out the chances, means probability for A1 as well as A2 for player A. Means we have to find out what is the probability that A will take A1 as is action or A2, that we want to find out. So for that, there is one simple rule, and that rule you have to learn. Very simple. So once saddle point is not there, you have to find out probability. Now probability of A1. It's very easy to find out probability. See how to find out probability for 2 by 2. It's only for 2 by 2. Just add these two number. So and put in denominator. Then add these two number and put in denominator. Whatever the answer of first addition of first two and last two, find out the difference of that two. So that is the denominator part. So once again you can say like this, if there are four numbers like this, then what is probability of A1? So the denominator is fixed here, A plus B, that you have to write in denominator, minus B plus C. And then you have to take the difference of these two, 12 minus 2, and you have to put in numerator. That's it, over. So that is your answer. So what is probability of A1? So that is nothing but D minus C. So whatever the answer of this A1, subtract it from 1, you will get the probability of A2, because total probability should be 1. So just find out the answer of this. So 12 minus 2, that is 10, and here 28 plus 12, that is 40. 40 minus 2, that is what? 38. You can divide it by 2, so we get 5 by 19. So 5 by 19 is the probability for A1. So you can write probability of A2 1 minus 5 by 9. Sorry, 19. 5 by 19. So we get 14 by 19. So we get the probability of A1, means the chances A will take A1 is 5 by 19 and A will take A2 is 14 by 19. This is for A. Now similarly you have to find out probability of A2, sorry, B1 and B2, probability of B1 and B2. So now probability of B1. So in B1 your denominator remains same. That means 28 plus 12 minus 2 plus 0. That you have to write as it is. But instead of this D minus C, instead of D minus C, you have to write the difference of D and B in numerator. So instead of 12 minus 2, now you have to subtract this 2. 12 minus 0, and that should be numerator for probability of B1. 12 minus 0. So my final answer is 12 divided by 38. So you can write 6 by 19. So what is probability of B2? That is nothing but 1 minus probability of B1. So 1 minus 6 by 19. That is 13 by 19. So here probability for A is 5 by 19, 4 by 19. For B 6 by 19, 13 by 19. Over. Then one more thing we have to find out here, that is value of gain. So now value of gain, still denominator remains as it is, 28 plus 12 minus 2 plus 0. But in numerator you have to multiply this two, 28 into 12 minus 2 into 0. That's it. So do the calculation. Obviously this is 40 minus 2, 38 remains as it is, and here what we have to do, multiply 28 with 12, so we get 336. So here 336 minus 2 into 0 is 0, so only we get 336. Now this also you can divide by 2, so we get here 100, and if we divide this by 2 we get 168. So that is what value of gain. So 168 divided by 19 is the value of gain, and that is the end of this question. So once again, what we have to do, first of all we have to check whether the saddle point is there or not. If no, then you have to find out probability. But for 2 by 2 it is simple. Now let us do this question first of all. 30, first one. The first step is find out row minima. Row minima. Now tell me the minimum value in first row.
0.
Yes, 0. In first row minimum is 0. Row minima. Second row
-1.
-1. Third row minus 5. And last row -5.
-5.
And which value you have to select out of this 4? Minimum or maximum?
Maximum 0.
0. Yes, 0 is the maximum. So this is the upper value, over. Upper value is 0. Now find out column maxima. In first column, which one is the maximum?
7.
Second column?
9.
Third column?
10.
And last column?
0.
And out of this 4 value, we have to select the minimum.
0.
0. So that is what? Upper value. Sorry, lower value. And see, lower value and upper value are same. And because lower value and upper value is same, we can say that game has a saddle point. Game is strictly determinable. That means player A will take always A1, means the probability for that is 100%, means remaining probability is 0. And B will take B4 because 0 is here. So we can say that A will take A1, B will take B4, and value of game that is here 0 because both values are same. So that is my final answer. Over. A will take A1, B will take B2, and value of game is 0. Over. So that this is very simple, very simple. Now let us do this question. Question number 2 of question number 13. So it is 3 by 3. Once again, row minima. Which one is minimum value? Tell me in first row.
1,
Then second row.
2,
And then 1.
1,
And the highest is 2. Now in column 6,
6,
7
7,
and 7.
7,
And
7,
minimum is what? 6. Now these two
6.
values are not same. Listen, these two values are not same. And because these two values are not same, we can say that there is no schedule point. Means there is some probability now. There is some probability. So how to solve this question? There are three strategies for player A, A1, A2, A3. And there are three strategies for player B, B1, B2, B3. And the payoff matrix is given. Payoff matrix. This is known as payoff matrix. 1, 7, 2. Second one 6, 2, 7. And third one 6, 1, 6. Because it's 3 by 3, there is no any formula available to find out probability directly like this. This is the possible only when 2 by 2 is there. So first of all, we have to use one simple rule of dominance. We have to use one simple rule of dominance, and we have to convert this problem into 2 by 2. We have to convert this problem in 2 by 2. Now how to convert in 2 by 2? Listen carefully. Now tell me, if you are player A, then which one is better for you, A1 or A2 out of this two when B will take B1? Which one is better for you if you are player A, A1 or A2 if B will take B1? See here, if B will take B1, then if by taking A1 we get profit of 1 rupees, and by taking A2 we get profit of 6 rupees. So we can say that for player A, if B will take B1, A2 is better. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
yeah, A2 is better. Here A2 is better. Now for this, if B will take B2, then which one is better?
A1.
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 That indicate we are not able to decide straightforward, because if B will take B1, then A2 is better. If B will take B2, then A1 is better. So we are not able to decide exactly A1 is always better or A2 is always better. So forget A1 and A2. Now consider A1 and A3. Which one is better, A1 or A3 here?
A, A3.
A3. And for this particular situation,
A1.
A1. That means still we are not able to decide straightforward one answer. Okay, now forget that A1 and we already compare A1 with A2 and A1 with A3. Now compare A2 and A3 and tell me which one is better, A2 or A3?
Both are same.
Both.
Correct, both are same. So we have a choice. Okay, for this
A, A2.
A2, and for this,
A2.
that means what? If you are player A, then you will always choose A2 compared to A3, because in A3 either you get same profit or less profit. See, in A2, A3 we get either same profit compared to A2 or less profit. So if we are rational player, if player A is a rational player, he will never go for A3. He always select A2 whenever he has a choice. from A2 and A3. So we can say that A3 is dominated by A2. Means A2 is dominated to A3. So A3 is not considered as one of the strategy for A whenever A2 is available. So just remove this from the table and then continue. Now compare A1 with A2, but we already checked that thing. Now compare A1 with B1 with B2. If you are player B, which one is best for you? B1 or B2?
B2.
Compare like this.
B2.
Which one is
B1.
B1, because this is the loss for player B, 1 rupee loss, here 7 rupee loss, because it's positive, that indicate is loss for B. So B1 is better for player B out of these two. And here, which one is better?
B2.
B2. So we are not able to decide perfectly B1 or B2, because sometimes B1, sometimes B2, that indicate that there is no possibility for dominance completely. Okay, now compare A1 with, B1 with B3. Which one is better, B1 or B3?
B1.
B1. And here,
B1.
okay. So if you are player B, then you always go for B1 compared to B3, because in B3 you have to pay more amount compared to B1. So we can say that B1 is dominated to B3. B1 is dominated to B3. So we have to remove B3. So now we get only 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, here probability of A1 is fixed. Probability of A3 is obviously 0. Now find out probability of A1. Now tell me how to find out probability of A1. Because A1 is first one. So what we have to do? We have to add this two number. 1 plus 2. Minus, you have to add this number. 6 plus 7. And what we have to write in numerator? 2 minus, see, consider this is your ABCD. Consider this is your ABCD. A is 1, B is 7, C is 6, D is 2. And what is the rule? This plus this, minus this plus this. And then after this minus this, you have to write in numerator. So what we are writing in numerator? 2 minus
6.
6, correct. So what we get here? Minus 4. And what is total? 2 plus 1, 3. And 6 plus 7, that is 13. So 3 minus 13. 3 minus 13, what we get? Minus 10. And if we cancel minus sign, we get 4 by 10. That is nothing but 0.4. So 0.4 is probability of A1. So what is probability of A2? Because probability of A3 is 0. So what is probability of A2? 1 minus 0.4, we get 0.6. So we get the answer for A1. Now answer for A. Now what is probability of B3? Then answer is 0. What is probability of B1? So same thing. In numerator we have to write 1 plus 2 minus 6 plus 7. And tell me what we have to write in numerator? Denominator remains same, minus 10. And what we have to write in numerator?
2 minus 7.
Correct. That is what, minus 5. So we get 0.5. So probability of B1 is 0.5. So what is probability of B2? 1 minus 0.5. So we get 0.5. And the last one, that is what? Value of game. V. So denominator 1 plus 2 minus 6 plus 7 as it is. And here you have to write 1 into 2 minus 6 into 7. So 1 into 2 is 2. 6 7s are 42. Here it is same, minus 10. So we get minus 40 divided by minus 10. So we get plus 4. And that is the value of game. And how to write the answer? Listen. For player A, there are 3 strategies: A1, A2, A3. The probability of A1 is 0.4, A2 is 0.6, A3 is 0. For player B, there are three strategies, B1, B2, B3. The probability of B1, that is 0.5. Probability of B2, 0.5. And this 0. And value of game is what? 4. And that is my final answer. That is the way to write the final answer. So see the answer. For strategy A, for player A, 0.4, 0.60. For player B, 0.5, 0.50. And value of game is 2. Sorry, 4. Over. Now let us do this question number 3. Question number 3 of 13. First step, row minima. Which one is minimum value? Tell me. Be fast.
-4.
Second row,
-6.
highest.
Highest -4.
Correct.
Minus
Minus. Column, maximum.
-2.
Maximum.
-4.
Then
3. 4.
minimum.
-4.
-4. And see, this is upper value, this is lower value, and upper value and lower value are same. So we can say that for player A, A1 is best one, and for player B, B2 is best one. For player A, A1, for player B, B2, and both the values are same. That is why that is the value of game. Over, because saddle point is there. Nothing we have to do if saddle point is there. So it is simple question. Once we have a saddle point. Okay, let us do this question. 14 first. Be fast. Row minima. Which one is minimum value?
-2.
Then 0.
0.
Then minus 2.
-2.
Then minus 2. And highest value is 0.
0.
And column maxima
1. 2. 2.
2. Then
2.
2. Then
2.
2. Then
2.
2. So highest value, lowest value is 2 only, because all values are same. But we can say that the upper value and lower value are not same. Upper value and lower value are not same. That means we have to use here which concept? Dominance. Now see, for 14 first, let us do here. For player A, there are 4 strategy: A1, A2, A3, A4. For player B, there are 4 strategy: B1, B2, B3, B4. Not necessary always we have a same number of strategy for both the player. The first row, 1, 0, 2, -2. Second row, 1, 2, 0, 2. Third row, 2, 0, 2, -2. And -2, 2, -2, 1. Okay. Now just compare A1 with A2. First of all, which one is better, A1 or A2? Both are same.
Same.
Here, which one is better, A1 or A2?
A2.
A2. Here, which one is better,
A2.
A1 or A2?
A1.
A1. So here A2 is better, here A1 is better. So straightforward, we are not able to delete anyone. Okay, compare A1 with A3. Which one is better?
A3.
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 Here,
Both are same.
same.
Both
Here,
same.
same. Here
Same.
also same.
Same.
So
Same.
which strategy we have to remove? Which strategy we have to remove?
A3. A1.
A1, because A3 is better. So just remove A1. Now compare A2 and A3. Which one is better?
A2.
A3.
A3.
Here
A2. A2.
A2. So direct answer is not possible. Okay, compare this. Which one is better? A1 or A4?
A2.
Sorry. A2. A2 or A4? A2.
Both. Both.
Here, same.
Same.
Which one is better?
A2. A2.
A2. See, here A2 is better. Here same. Here A2 is better. And for this,
A2.
so that means
A2.
which we have to remove? Which we have to remove?
A4.
A4, because A4 is not better strategy for player A. Over. Now A1, A2 and A3 we already compared. Now compare this one. Which one is better? B1 or B2? Now smaller one is better. When we compare this, smaller one is better. Here B1 is better. Here
B1
A2. So we are not able to decide straightforward. Now tell me which one is better? B1 or B3?
B1.
B1 or
Nah,
B3?
B2, B2.
B3. B3.
B3, B3,
B3.
B3.
And for this, which one is better? Both.
Both.
Both
That
same.
means now we are able to cancel one. Which we have to cancel one? Which one we will have to cancel? B1 or B3?
B1.
B1.
B1 we have to cancel because here less profit is less loss is there. Now compare once again this. Which one is better? B2 or B3?
B3.
And here,
B2.
so we are not able to cancel straightforward anyone. Now compare this. Which one is better? B2 or B3? Sorry,
Both.
B4.
Both.
Both. And
Both.
here, which one is better?
B2.
B4. B4.
B4.
Nah, B4. B4.
B4 is
B4.
better. Yes, B4 is better. So which we have to remove here?
B2.
Yes, we have to remove
B2.
B2. Correct, correct. Now we have this situation. So here, if you want to write, see, probability of A1 is 0. A1, A2, A3, A4. Probability of A1 and A4 is 0 because we have to remove that one. For player B, B1, B2, B3, B4, these are 4 strategy. And probability for B1 and B2 is 0. Okay, now how to find out probability of this A2, probability of this. So probability of A2, same formula, add this to number. What is total of these two?
-2.
-2.
-2. And add this to 4 and
4.
minus sign between them. And what we have to write in numerator? This minus this. So -2 -2. So ultimately we get -4 and here we get -2 -4 -6. So if we cancel we get 2 by 3. So this is the probability for A2 2 by 3. So tell me what is the probability of A3?
1/3.
Correct, 1 by 3 over. Now let us find out probability of B3 first of all. Probability of B3. Same thing you have to do. In numerator you have to write -2 -4. And now tell me what we have to write in numerator.
-2 -2.
Correct, -2 -2. So ultimately we get -4 upon -6. Once again we get 2 by 3. But it is probability of B3. B3 is 2 by 3. So B4 is also 1 by 3 over. And now the last one, value of gain. In value of gain, what we have to do? Denominator is same, -2 -4. But here you have to multiply these two. What is multiplication of this two? 2 into -2, that is what? 0. And multiplication of this 2 2s are 4 and there is a minus sign, so we get here -4 upon -6 once again, so we get 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is the value of gain. 2 by 3 is the value of gain. So see the answer for player A1 A2 A3 A4, probability is 0 2 by 3 1 by 3 0 2 by 3 1 by 3 and 0. For B1 0, probability of B2 0 2 by 3 1 by 3. See 0 0 2 by 3 1 by 3 and value of game is what? 2 by 3. So this is the way to find out the answer. Let us find out this is now. Let us discuss the last question of this chapter. First of all, row minima. Tell me the minimum value of first row.
-16.
16.
Then minus 4,
-16.
then plus 4, then 2. The highest is 4. In column, maximum value 18, maximum 8, maximum
8
10, maximum
minus 6.
51. Minimum is what? 8. So upper value and lower value are not same. So game has no schedule point. Now just use the dominance. Once again, tell me which one is better, A1 or A2?
A1.
Here,
A1.
here,
A2.
correct. Absolutely right. So we are not able to take a decision straightforward. Now A1 and A3, which one is better?
A2.
Here,
A1.
okay, here A3 and here A1, so they are not same. Okay, now A1 and A4, which one is better, A1 or A4?
A4.
A4.
Here,
A1.
okay, so
A1.
same, not same. Okay, now A1 with A2, A3, A4 is over. Now compare A2 and A3. Which one is better, A2 and A3?
A3.
A3.
A3. Here,
A3.
A3.
here,
A3.
and
A3.
here.
A3.
That means
A3.
what?
Straightforward.
We have to keep A3 and we have to cancel A2. So probability of A2 is 0. See, probability of A2 is 0. Okay, now once again compare A1 with A3 because some elements are removed. So A1, okay, we already compare A1 and A3, so forget it. Now compare A2 and A3. Which one is better? A3 and A4. Which one is better?
A3.
A3.
Here
A3. A3.
A3.
A3.
A3.
and here.
A3.
That means
A4 cancel.
yes, we have to cancel A4, so probability of that is 0. Over. Now you compare B1 with B2. Which one is better, B1 or B2?
B1.
B1.
Here
B2.
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 So we are not able to remove anyone. Now B1 and B3. Which one is better, B1 or B3?
B3.
B3.
And here,
B3.
B3.
okay, that means we have to
B1
keep
cancel.
B3. Yes, B1 cancel, and because of that, probability is 0. Now compare B2 with B3. B2 with B3. Which one is better? For first one,
B3.
B3. And for second one,
B2.
okay, so we are not able to remove anyone. Now compare these two. B1 or B4?
B2.
Sorry, B2 or B4? Sorry, B2 or B4?
B2.
B4.
B4, because here
B4.
B4.
8
B4
and here
minus
minus
10.
10. So B4 is better. Here, which one is better?
B2.
B4.
B2
2.
or B4? B2 or B4?
B2 na 4.
B2, yes, B2. So we are not able to straightforward cancel anyone. Okay, compare this B3 with B4. Which one is better? Minus 16 or minus 10?
Minus 16.
Okay, 10 or 51?
B3.
10. B3.
Yes, that means we have to cancel B4. So probability of that
B4.
is 0. Okay, now we have only these four numbers. Four numbers are there. And we get the probability of A1 and A3. So probability of A1, simply add these two numbers. 18. Add these two number. So 4 and minus 16. What is total of 4 and minus 16? Minus 12. And then you have to write minus sign. So what we get? 18 plus 12, 30. Now what we write in numerator? In numerator, this
10
10
minus 4.
minus 4. Yes, 10 minus 4 is what? 6. So we get probability, if we cancel 6, 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is probability of what? A1. A1 1 by 5. So remaining A3 4 by 5. Over. Now here probability for this B2. B2. So instead of this 4, you have to write, instead of this 4, what we have to subtract? 10 minus 16.
Minus 6.
10 minus minus 16. What is 10 minus minus 16? 10 plus 16. That means what? 26. So we get 26 upon 30. So we get, if we cancel by 2, we get 13 upon 15. 13 upon 15 is probability of B2. See, 13 upon 15 is probability of B2. So remaining 2 by 15 is the probability for B3. Over. And now the value of game. How to find out value of game? Denominator is same. 18 minus minus 12. That means 30. And here multiply this two. What is multiplication? 8 into 10, 80. Minus 4 into minus 16 is minus 64. So minus minus plus, and we get 144 divided by 30. Do the calculation. You will get 4.83. Let us check it. 144 divided by 30. So we get 4.8. It's check it. Let us verify once again. 4.83 or 4.8. 180 minus minus plus 64. So we get 144. 144 divided by 30. 144 divided by 3030. It is 4.8. Okay, not 4.83. It is 4.8. Just cancel this. So 4.8 is my final answer. So that is the way to solve this type of question. That's it. Nothing difficult in this chapter. We can say that it is the end of this chapter. Remaining questions you can solve by yourself. And if you find any difficulty, you can ask your doubt in my personal chat. So I will solve your problem. So this is the end of syllabus for our semester 6.